Hey, what's up people? So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple application for Android, whether it's a tablet or a phone, using Java and Eclipse. By the way, I only started making Android applications a week ago. I knew nothing about Android. I was only good at making normal Java applications, so relax, it's not a big deal, especially if you know some basic Java language. So first, I downloaded this package. It's the best way of getting Android for Eclipse fast. You'll find a link to it down in the description under my video. This package contains Eclipse and Android's ADTs and SDKs. Just follow the steps on the website and everything will be okay. After that, you open your new version of Eclipse, which is in the package you just downloaded. I choose a working space, click OK. So after Eclipse starts, we choose File, New, and Android Application Project. After that, we choose a name for the application. I'll say like hello here. And the minimum required SDK, make sure you don't choose something that is very high, just something in the middle here. For example, 4. Make sure that the create activity is ticked. Choose next. Here you choose the shape of the icon which runs your application. I'll go ahead with the default. Make sure that the create activity is ticked. Choose next, and then finish. Now, if you look on the left here, you'll see the folder that we just created in the source file. This is the Java file which we will use in running in the application, and here is the .xml file which we will use in drawing the layout and buttons and stuff like that. So first here, Android created us a simple application. It says just hello world. We will go to the .java file and we are going to run that to see it on the simulator. Choose run at, run configurations, make sure that the project is selected and choose run, and you can follow it here on the console. It will take like 7 to 10 minutes for it to run on the emulator, so I'll pause the video, I'll come back. So now after you see installing hello.apk and success and starting activity, you can start the emulator, look at it, unlock it, and here you can see the default application that Android has just created us. Now we go to the XML file and we start editing this stuff. I'm gonna delete this hello world. First thing is when you design the interface is choosing a good layout. I prefer the relative layout, which is already here as default, because this helps you when you change the view from portrait to landscape. Things doesn't mess around, everything is in the proper location. So let's add like a title to our application. Choose the large text here. We drag and drop. When we do that, we have like a red warning here. We double click on it, we choose fix. We will have two fields here. The first one is what we want to appear on the screen, which is title, and here we write a reference for it. I'll say like title underscore fix. This doesn't, just don't bother about it now. Click OK, then Control S. The error is gone. If you want to make it like a little bit bigger, because here we have like 4 different fonts, you can just click on it and move down here to text size. Choose like the DPs, let's say 60. That's too big. Okay, fine. And then we want to add like 2 text fields, one for as an input and one as an output. Big one here. Here it's gonna tell us to specify the type of input, and we choose here text. We go to the layout again. We add another, and we fix it. Choose text. Go back to the layout. Control S for the error to disappear. We want now a button. Where is it? It was here. We put a normal button here. Fix it. Here is its name, like click me, and here click me fix. Hit OK. Control S. We're gonna add an image button too here, and we can make it like the IC launcher here. You can change that. There are many images to choose from, and fix that too. The layout. We name it click 2. Yes, click 2 underscore fix. Okay. So it actually was a bug. It's a bug because when I moved that, the error is gone. So sometimes that happens. So just don't bother yourself with it. It's okay. Now I wanna like enter here my name, and when I click me, it brings me a pop-up and says like hi Mina. And if I click that, it puts the hi Mina here, and not as a pop-up. So now we're saving this, and we're going to the main activity.java to start the programming part. We will go to the onCreate method. Make sure that we're right below these lines, because the first 2 lines here calls the layout. That's the first thing that has to be done. So all our program will be written here. First, we're gonna identify the 2 text fields here and the 2 buttons. So I'm gonna say we like to edit text input and edit text output. Click on that. Change it to the proper way of writing that. Control S, and we have edit text, not extract edit. In the buttons, and image. I think I have wrote them before. I don't remember exactly. There's an image button and there's a button. Okay, so image button 2, and we import the widgets. Control S. Now we're gonna have to put an action listener to the to those two. But first, let me look here. So I'm gonna copy that from a project that I did before. So here we have input. We have to typecast everything that we write. So here the input is an edit text, find view by ID, r.id.edit text. R is the layout, so something that is in the layout, we retrieve it by its ID, and its ID is edit text 1. How do we know that? If we open the here, click like that, here it's edit text 1. Oh, that's an error, I don't want this, because I copied from a different class. I'm gonna remove this. We'll do the same for the other one. Just copy that, paste, say output. And we're gonna define the buttons. I did create a button before. Yeah. So we're gonna say 1 equals actually 1 is the button and the other one is the image button. Click save. Deleted this. Now we have to create the action listener, the buttons. Take this method. Example that one. Here we write the name of the button, which is 1. We open curly brackets and we close this because we was opened here. Click on that, add an implemented method, which is the onClick. Here, whatever, anything, won't matter. And we say if v equals 1, we do something. And we copy that and do it the same for the other button. It's gonna be 2. V equals 2. Do something. Okay. So if we click on the first button, we want a pop-up to show. How we're gonna do this is it's called a toast. Okay, just copy that and play with it here. Here we write the message, the one that we want. We'll say like, hi, Mina. And the duration is short, we want it to be long. Call it toast, and we want it to show, so we'll write toast dot show. For the other button, we want the text field actually to change, so we will write we get edit text, the output here, copy it, set output dot set text to hi Mina. Okay. Now we're ready to test the application that we just did. For the input, we just if we want to like write something and put it here in the message, it's easy. It's like Java. We say input dot get text, and we retrieve the text from the and don't forget it got dot text dot toString, and then we can save it to a variable. Now let's run this and see what we will find. So after the emulator runs, now we can see the interface that we created. These are the two buttons. We said that when I click this button, the message pop-up will appear here that says hi Mina, and when I re-click this one, it would say hi Mina here. So let's see. If I click here, there you go. And if I click here, there you go. So guys, that's it for today. I'll be making another video showing you how to change angles of text, make it like this or like this, and edit colors, and to put a background photo or picture for your application, and change fonts, which are quite tricky here and it's not that simple. So don't forget to rate this video and subscribe if you haven't done already, and if you want any help or you have any questions, just put a comment down and I'll come back to you, okay? And I'll come back to you.